Commands. Commands are phrases that are designed to direct the reader's attention and behavior towards a specific outcome. They work by bypassing the conscious mind's critical filter and speaking directly to the unconscious mind. Commands can be used to create a sense of urgency, excitement, or curiosity, and can be used to persuade readers to take action. Some examples of commands include buy now, act fast, register today, get your free trial, and sign up now. These phrases are designed to create a sense of urgency and motivate the reader to take immediate action. As a marketer, using commands can be incredibly effective in creating copy that motivates your readers to take action. By using language that is clear, direct, and assertive, you can create a sense of urgency and encourage your readers to make a purchase or take the desired action. At most, commands use specific words and phrases that are designed to bypass the conscious mind and go straight to the unconscious mind. By doing so, they can influence behavior without the individual even realizing it. There are several different types of commands in NLP, including direct commands, indirect commands, embedded commands, and presuppositions. Direct commands are straightforward and tell the listener what to do. Indirect commands, on the other hand, are more subtle and use questions or suggestions to influence behavior. Embedded commands are phrases that are hidden within a sentence. These commands are designed to bypass the conscious mind and go straight to the unconscious mind. Presuppositions are statements that assume something is true. By doing so, they can influence behavior without the individual even realizing it. Commands can be used to create a sense of urgency, establish authority, and create emotional connections with your audience. They can also be used to create a sense of scarcity, which can make your product or service more desirable. For example, if you were writing copy for a weight loss product, you might use the following NLP command. Imagine how good you will feel when you fit into your favorite pair of jeans again. This command uses the presupposition that the listener wants to fit into their favorite pair of jeans and creates an emotional connection with the listener. If you want to take your marketing and copywriting to the next level, it's essential to understand the concept of commands in NLP and how they can be used to influence behavior.
A Skeleto.com course. Examples. Act now and don't miss out. Experience the power of Z for yourself. Take advantage of this limited time offer. Unlock the secrets to desired outcome. Transform your problem area into a success story. Discover the solution/secret to problem. Be the envy of your peers with product. Make the decision that will change your life. Enjoy the benefits of Z. Tap into your full potential with Z. Embrace the power of Z. Invest in yourself with Z. Start achieving your goals today with Z. Take your desired area to the next level. Unlock your true potential with Z. Supercharge your desired area with Z. Get ready to see a major difference in desired area. Join the ranks of satisfied product/service users. Discover how easy it is to desired outcome with Z. Let product/service help you achieve your dreams. Gain the competitive edge with Z. See results like never before with Z. Don't let problem hold you back any longer. Change your life today with Z. Unleash your potential with Z. See the results you've been dreaming of with Z. Take the first step towards desired outcome. Don't let fear hold you back from success. Reach your goals faster with Z. Say goodbye to problem and hello to success. Take advantage of our limited time offer today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Sign up now and start experiencing the benefits. Choose the right solution for your needs and take action. Decide to make a change and see the results for yourself. Invest in your future and get started now. Claim your spot before it's too late. Take the first step towards success and enroll today. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already benefited. See for yourself why this is the best option. Get the results you deserve by taking action now. Don't wait any longer to start achieving your goals. Transform your life by making a simple decision today. Discover how easy it can be to reach your full potential. Be the one to take control and make a change. Get ahead of the competition by signing up now. Make the smart choice and choose our product. Invest in yourself and start seeing the results. Take your first step towards success today. Don't hesitate. Start your journey to success now. Be the first to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Take the initiative and make the decision to succeed. Start seeing the results you want by taking action today. See what everyone is talking about and join today. Join the community of successful people who have already made the decision. Unlock your full potential by making a commitment today. Take control of your life and achieve your dreams. Stop settling for less and start experiencing more. Choose the best option and start seeing results today. Make a decision that will change your life forever and sign up now. Imagine how great it will feel to own this product. Buy now and save money. Try this risk-free for 30 days. See how easy it is to use Z. Discover the benefits of this for yourself. Experience the difference this can make. Transform your life with Z. Get started today and achieve your goals. Invest in yourself with Z. Unlock your potential with Z. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Act now and get a free gift. Join our community of satisfied customers. Take control of your life with Z. Stop struggling and start succeeding with Z. Imagine the possibilities with Z. Get results fast with Z. Start achieving your dreams today. Be the envy of your friends with Z. Discover the secret to success with Z. Make a positive change in your life with Z. Enjoy more free time with Z. Simplify your life with Z. Take your life to the next level with Z. See the results you want with Z. Achieve your goals faster with Z. Boost your confidence with Z. Become the best version of yourself with Z. Get ahead of the competition with Z. Make a lasting impression with Z. Look and feel great with Z. Be the first to try our groundbreaking product. Create the life you want with Z. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have tried Z. Enjoy peace of mind with Z. Enhance your life with Z. Take the first step towards your dream life with Z. Invest in your future with Z. See immediate results with Z. Eliminate stress with Z. Get more done in less time with Z. Improve your health with Z. Discover a better way of life with Z. Change your life for the better with Z. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take advantage of our limited time offer. Get the results you want with Z. See a noticeable difference with Z. Be the envy of your peers with Z. Enjoy the benefits of this for years to come. Take the guesswork out of achieving your goals with Z. Simplify your routine with Z. Don't settle for less than the best. Choose Z. Save time and money with Z. Discover a new way of living with Z. Be more productive than ever with Z. Experience life to the fullest with Z. Take control of your destiny with Z. Enjoy a better quality of life with Z. Reach your full potential with Z. Don't wait another day to achieve your dreams. Be the best you can be with Z. Get the tools you need to succeed with Z. Discover your true potential with Z. Live the life you've always wanted with Z. Create a better future for yourself with Z. Take your career to the next level with Z. Achieve more than you ever thought possible with Z.